Hey guys, I am Monica. Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Google Flights like a pro, and I will share some of my amazing tricks that'll save you time, money, and help you find the best flight deals. So guys, if you love traveling and want to get amazing flight deals under your budget, then you are in the right place. So let's get started. Google Flights is an incredibly user-friendly tool that simplifies the flight booking process. To get started, just visit google.com and search Google Flights. Yes, all right. So, you have to click on the first link of Google Flight. Once you get into the Google Flight homepage, simply enter your departure and destination cities where you want to go exactly. Make sure to put your travel dates you can select from here. Now simply click on Search. Google Flights will instantly show you a range of flight options, which you can filter by price, duration, number of stops, or even choose a non-stop flight if you prefer. One of its standout features is the price graph, which helps you visualize the best times to book for the lowest prices. Or if you're open to exploring other destinations, Google Flights offers suggestions based on your budget, giving you the flexibility to find new places to visit. Once you've found the perfect flight, simply click on it, and you'll be directed to the airline's website to book directly, ensuring a smooth, feel-free booking experience. With its intuitive interface, real-time price tracking, and ability to suggest alternative options, trust me guys, Google Flights is the ultimate tool for planning your next adventure with ease and confidence. Now, this is what you are waiting for, guys. Let's explore some cool features that you might not know about Google Flight. And trust me guys, it will help you to save your time and money. Trick number 1. Oh yes. Let me give you amazing facts about how you select the dates to minimize the prices so that you can get a cheaper flight ticket. Trust me, if you have patience, then you are going to grab the best deal on your next flight ticket. Guys, instead of searching one specific date, let Google Flight to compare prices across multiple dates. Trust me, you'll get an even better result on flight tickets, and the price will be cheaper. Now compare as per your desired date. Guys, always check the price graph. It will show you a date-wise graph that when the price is higher and when it is low. You can compare your price as per your budget. You can also check the date grid. It will show you the price differences for nearby dates, while the price graph will give you a visual comparison of prices over time. This is perfect if you're looking for the cheapest day to fly. Pro tip: flying midweek is often cheaper than weekend flights. Book your tickets on Tuesday, Wednesday, or Thursday. Airlines often release deals early in the week and by midweek, so there's more possibility to get a great deal on flight tickets. Trick number 2. Track flight prices. Found a flight you like, but want to keep an eye on the price? Google Flights makes it easy to track prices and get notifications when the price changes. Simply select your flight and toggle the Track Prices option. You'll get email updates if the price drops or rises, so you can book at the right time. Trick number 3. Use the Explore map. Not sure where to go, or you just want to find the best deals to multiple destinations? Let me show you how to use the Explore map. Instead of entering a destination, click on the Explore option, and you'll see a map with prices to different locations. You can zoom in and out, filter by budget, and choose regions, such as Europe or Asia. It's perfect if you're looking for inspiration or just want to find the cheapest place to fly. You can also see a small airport while zooming and click on a destination to see flight details, including airlines, layovers, and departure times. If you like what you see, hit select to book directly. You can also customize your search further. Use filters like non-stop flights, specific airlines, or trip duration to get better results. The Explore map in Google Flights is perfect for discovering new destinations and staying within your budget. Trick number 4. Oh yes, this is amazing. Flexible destinations. If you're feeling adventurous and open to different options, Google Flights can help you find flights to multiple places from your departure city. Instead of typing in a specific destination, just type in your departure city and leave the destination blank. Google will show you a list of popular cities with prices listed next to each. This is great for finding budget-friendly destinations or simply exploring new places. Great, right? Trick number 5. Well guys, this is interesting. Using incognito mode. Do you know browsers always use cookies and search history, and that's the reason why Google Flight shows you higher price. Guys, if you want to avoid this, just open an incognito mode or private browser in your window and search Google Flights. And here is the result. Your browser will show you a much cheaper price because now you are a fresh user for them without any search history. Great, right? Trick number 6. Search for one-way flights. You might think round-trip tickets are always cheaper, but sometimes booking one-way flights on different airlines can save you money. Try searching for one-way flights for both legs of your journey and compare the total price. Often, flying with different airlines can be cheaper than a round-trip ticket with one airline. Well, if you are open to travel multiple destinations, you can also try multi-city flights in Google Flight. Let me explain how the Google Flights multi-city feature can help you to save money. This feature lets you book multiple destinations. You can add stops like New York, London, Paris, New York, all in one booking. Multi-city tickets are often cheaper than booking each flight separately. Trust me, guys, you will not only save your money, but also time. It's perfect for exploring multiple destinations in place of booking flights separately. Number 7. This is not a trick, guys, but a smart advice. Look, this is quite important. Be aware of scamp. Wait a second. Let me explain to you. Nowadays, many travelers are searching for Google Flight customer care support and get scammed. Google has introduced Google Flights for helping travelers to compare and book flights quickly. Google Flight will directly connect you to many airlines companies. So many people are getting calls this day from Google for flight booking. Guys, don't trust them. Many people are falling victim to scams. So aware of this. Bonus tip. If you're planning a trip far in advance, make sure to set fare alerts. Google Flights will notify you when the prices for your selected route drop, ensuring you get the best deal possible. Just click on your desired route, toggle the track prices button, and you're all set. You'll be alerted as soon as there's a price change. And that's a wrap. With these tricks, you're now ready to search for flights like a pro. Whether you're looking for the best price, flexible dates, or exploring new destinations, Google Flights has got you covered. I hope you found these tips helpful. If you did, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more travel tips and hacks. Also, drop a comment below and let me know your favorite travel tool or tip. Until next time, happy travels.